Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's begin the countdown. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2.
1.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand at your seat. We will start today's meeting with Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala Suphada, Malayaj Sheetala, Sasya Shyamana Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadara Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Let's invite our new president of this term, Dr. Hargadar.
Thank you, Vansir. So I would like to just give a token of memento to the outgoing president, Vansir.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
I would like to invite upcoming Vice President, Parindra Garu.
Very much back.
I request Panindra to please give away the memento to Anil Garu.
I would like to invite our newest team, Shahrukh Sheikh.
Request Shant to please give away the memento to Javier.
Good morning, BNI. I would like to invite a new lead visitor host, Damodaran.
Thank you. I am now going to read out the BNI Code of Ethics. I request substitutes and visitors to please be seated. I will provide the quality of services at the prices I have quoted.
I agree.
I will be truthful with the members and their reference.
I agree.
I will build goodwill and trust among the members and their reference.
I agree.
I will take responsibility for following up on the reference that I receive.
I agree.
I will live up to the ethical standards of my profession.
I agree.
I will display a positive and supportive attitude with BNI members.
I agree.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand chapter of BNI. It is now precisely 8 a.m. Please put off your mobile phones and take your seats as quickly as possible so that we can begin the next part of the meeting. Thank you. I would like to start this part of the meeting by introducing the leadership team of the BNI Grand Charter. My name is Dr. Harika, and as President, my role is to chair our weekly meetings, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by BNI, which is proven to maximize the business past in any BNI charter. If I could now invite the following people to stand as they are introduced so that everyone knows who they are, please. On my left is Mr. Fanindra, who is our Vice President and has 2 principal responsibilities.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Firstly, I track the performance of the chapter in terms of business passed between our members. Like any good business, we set goals and monitor our progress towards achieving these goals. Secondly, I chair the membership committee, which is charged with the following important tasks: dealing with new member application, including follow-up on client preferences, dealing with any conflicts of interest which may arise within the chapter, administering the policies and procedures of BNI within the chapter, and most importantly, planning for the future growth of the chapter. Can I ask the members of the membership committee to stand? Chapter Growth Coordinator Ahmed Ali Garu.
Good morning,
I
BNI.
request Ahmed Ali Garu to come to the top of the table along with the outgoing Chapter Growth Coordinator Madhyan Srinivas Garu and facilitate him with memento.
సార్ తొందర నడవండి సార్
ఫాస్ట్ గా
ఆయన పేరుకే అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ఆయన పేరుకే అవుట్ గోయింగ్ అన్ని ఆటలు ఆయనే ఆడతాడు
Attendance Coordinator Jabir Sheikh Garu picks us up. I request Jabir Garu to come on to the top of the table along with the outgoing Attendance Coordinator Ajay Kumar Garu and facilitate him with memento.
సంతోషం ఆయన ఇచ్చేటట్టున్నాడు.
Application Review Coordinator Bachi Koprav. I request Volas Garu to facilitate. Our mentor coordinator Manish Jain. I request Manish Garu to come on to the top of the table along with outgoing mentor coordinator Sai Krishna Alpati and facilitate him with memento. Referral Value and Quality Coordinator Madhyan Srinivas Garu. I request Madhyan Srinivas Garu to come on to the top of the table. And Volas Garu to facilitate.
స్మైల్
తీసే
Thank you. On my right is our Secretary Treasurer, Mr. Shah.
It is my job. Morning, BNI. Morning.
It is my job to administer the subscription of payments, members to manage the chapter finance. Thank you.
Our lead visitor host is Mr. Prabhakar.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Good morning. May I now request the visitor post member, team members to stand as I introduce them, please. Mr. Bharat Sarupran Garu, BR Concepts.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Mahalakshmi Agencies, G. Srinivasarao Garu, Phoenix Green Valley, G. V. Narasimharao Garu, K. Venkatesh Garu, Mahalakshmi Agencies.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ బిఎన్ఐ
Good
Good morning.
G. Srinivasarao Garu, Phoenix Green Valley.
మార్నింగ్ బిఎన్ఐ
Good morning.
Pakki Srinivas Garu, Smart Techno Software Solutions.
స్మార్ట్ మార్నింగ్
Smart morning.
C. H. Ramesh Babu Garu, BNR Diamonds.
బిఎన్ఐ మార్నింగ్
BNI morning.
I request all the visitor host to please come here and collect the badges. Ola sir, I request all please give away the badges.
Srinivas garu. ఇదో పోస్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను చేశాడు ఆల్రెడీ రిపోర్ట్ చేసి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ముందర చెప్పారని అంటే ఈడియట్
I request Ola sir to please stay and request Srinivas Gandhi Garu to please come to receive the memento. Thank you so much. I would like to introduce some key coordinators of our chapter who help the members and in functioning of the chapter. Education coordinator, Mr. Sai Krishna Alapati Garu. I request all the coordinators to please lead this list.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate the outgoing head table and also all the best for the incoming head table. I am very excited for the coming term. Thank you for giving me this opportunity as an education coordinator for this term. So my role as an education coordinator in BNI is mentoring. I'm education coordinator in BNI who helps members improve their networking skills and generate referrals to grow their business. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I request Dr. Anusha Garu and Sai Krishna Garu to please come to the top of the table. And request Sai Krishna Garu to please give away the memento to Dr. Anusha, who is the previous education coordinator.
ప్రిన్సిపల్ బోర్డింగ్
BNI Connect Coordinator, Mr. Pakki Srinivas Garu.
Smart morning.
Smart morning.
First of all, congratulations to the new head table. Thank you for giving opportunity as a BNI Connect Coordinator. Myself, Srinivas, I am the BNI Connect Coordinator who help members to understand and use BNI Connect. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I request Srinivas Garu to please come over here, and also request R.V. Krishna Garu to please come and correct the momentum. Thank you. Power team coordinator Mr. Keshava Mullapudi garu.
Good morning, BNI. Good morning. First of all, congratulations to new head table. Thank you for the outgoing head table. I am the power team coordinator who helps in information and optimum functioning of power teams. Thank you.
I request Keshava Garu and Manish Garu to please come over here and to give momentum to Manish Garu. Manish Garu. Thank you. Gogri coordinator Mr. Narsimha Garu. Keshava Garu.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
First of all, congratulations, new head table landing. This time I have the Go Green coordinator who help the members get highest score in the members traffic lights. Thank you.
Thank you. I request Narsimha Garu and Sundar Garu to please come over here and hand over the momentum to Sundar Garu. Thank you. Thank you. Feature presentation coordinator Shivakumar Garu, CCTV Security Solutions.
Yeah, good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Who coaches and guides members for their 8 minutes presentation?
Thank you. I request Shivakumar Garu and GV Narsimha Garu to please come over here and give the momentum to Narsimha Garu. Thank you. Presentation coordinator P. Ratnakar Garu, Kanagara Gold and Diamonds.
Good morning. Firstly, I congratulate outgoing head table and all the best for the incoming head table. Thank you for giving 30 seconds as coordinator.
So I request Ratnakar garu and Varmakumar garu to please come over here, and I request Ratnakar garu to please go over the moment.
ఏం చేస్తానో చేసి చూపిస్తాను.
Testimonial coordinator Rajadara garu Kangarwata.
Good morning, BNI. Congratulations to new head table. Myself Rajadara. My category in BNI. I am the testimonial coordinator for this
Thank you. I
section.
request Rajadara garu and Venkat Sridhar garu to please come over. Thank you. Social media coordinator R.V. Krishna garu, Krishna Enterprises.
Congratulations to the new head table, and my responsibility here in this chapter is media coordinator who promotes our grand chapter in the social media. Thank you.
Thank you. I request Krishna garu and Virat Karthik garu to please come over. Thank you. Ask coordinators Ajay Tadpatti garu.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Congratulations to the new head table. Congrats, buddies. I am ask coordinator who takes the responsibilities of closing the member specific costs. Thank you.
Thank you. I request Ajay garu and Murli Krishna garu to please come over here and to correct the moment. Thank you. So for this term we have three more new coordinators. Etiquette coordinator Dr. Anusha garu.
Congratulations to the new head table.
Thank you.
And being etiquette coordinator, I will look after every member of our BNI chapter coming proper attire.
Please.
You can see many of you now coming in the business attire. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
Training coordinator Mr. Sundar garu.
Good morning, BNI. Good morning. Congratulations and all the best to leadership team. I am here to guide the members to attend the trainings and workshops that are conducted by BNI.
Thank you. Business winner coordinator Mr. Harish garu.
morning, BNI. Congratulations on new head table. Who take the responsibility of closing the ask that no members in the chapter can't close it, which can spin the business of members in high.
Thank you. I am now pleased to introduce our visiting support DC, Olas Karu, whose welcome attendance today is indicative of the commitment and excellent support that BNI gives to us as members.
Good morning, BNI.
Good morning. I request Bachi Garu to please come over here and give away the memento to Olas. Thank you. Being a member of BNI is like having a whole team of salespeople working for you. Members carry around their card files with everyone's business cards in it. When speaking to a client, associate, colleague or friend who mentions a need represented by someone in the group, the member can provide a referral to fill that need. It's safer than taking a chance with a stranger from a phone directory.